are Catherine, Samantha, Dave, and me. Heidi! Well, you kind of know my name from other YouTube videos. But anyways, we're holding kittens. Look at the little kitty. Look at it. This is Callie. Nice. Say hello. No. This is Tucker.
Oh, whoops. I messed up too. Hi, little buddy. Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just snip. Just snip. Just snip. No bite. No bite. Just snip. Just snip.
It's just sniffing your tail.
Just snip.
Oh, gosh. Yeah. Aw. Catherine.
It's purring.
Where's Cat?
Where's Katniss is outside, I think.
Don't get scared.
Catching a mouse and a rat.
He got scared.
Here, I want to hold
Here,
him.
Dave, can you hold this?
Yeah.
I want to hold Tucker.
Good luck getting Tucker. Yeah.
Hello, Tucker. Hello. 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 Now get out here. Hang on. I'm going to hold it, grab it like behind its neck. Ow. That's my hand.
Did he bite it?
No.
Oh, thank the God.
My hand kept rubbing against the top. No, you get back here.
Come on, Tucker. It's okay, buddy. Oh my God, he's gonna run off. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. It's okay. Pick him up. He'll claw you. That's what he did to me.
Yeah, that's what he does. He did that to me. I had a huge claw mark. Oh, wow. But that's okay. That's okay. This is Tucker. Let's see. Oh, hi. You're such a good boy. Girl. My bad.
He's a boy.
No, it's a girl. They found that out. Easy, easy.
Oh, don't bite me.
It's so cute when you lay down. I'm going to go put it to bed.
Put it to Betty bye.
Let's go bed.
I'm gonna go over to what the name is it?
Yeah. Yeah, they're purring.
Can I hold Callie?
No.
I want to hold Cat. I didn't get to hold her yet. I didn't get to hold any kitty.
Yes. Well, that's our first video of the kittens. Say goodbye, Dave.